Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy TurboCoin. First, you will need to set up a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. Next, you'll acquire some Ethereum, as TurboCoin is an ERC20 token. Then, we will explore decentralized exchanges where you can swap your Ethereum for TurboCoin. Finally, I will guide you through the actual purchase, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction from start to finish. Before you can buy TurboCoin, a few essential steps are needed. First, select a secure, non-custodial wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. These wallets give you full control over your assets. Next, you'll need to acquire Ethereum, as TurboCoin operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Remember to allocate an additional $20 to $50 in Ethereum for transaction gas fees, which are necessary for processing your purchase. Now, let's choose a decentralized exchange, or DEX, to facilitate your purchase. Uniswap and SushiSwap are two of the most popular and reliable platforms for swapping ERC20 tokens like TurboCoin. It's wise to compare their current liquidity and transaction fees to ensure you get the best possible rate. Once you've selected a DEX, securely connect your MetaMask or other compatible wallet to the platform. With your wallet connected and Ethereum ready, you're set to buy TurboCoin. On the DEX, search for TurboCoin, often by pasting its contract address to ensure accuracy. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to swap for TurboCoin. Always double-check all transaction details, including the amount and potential gas fees, before proceeding. Finally, confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait a few moments for it to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.